I'm Erica Barrueto from the Tech Interactive in San Jose, California. And we have come to Agastya in order to work with educators from Agastya. So for the last 3 days, we've been working together and looking at the pedagogy and experiencing design challenges. And we've connected with Agastya because we have very similar philosophies around putting the student at the center of the learning and really building their confidence and building their sense of interest and wonder. And so through these educators, we're going to together affect children here in India.
Hi, my name is Sage Chimi. I'm with the Tech Museum, and I have been an educator for over 18 years in STEM and engineering design challenges and hands-on activities with problem-based learning, design challenge thinking in any kind of educational setting. So our relationship is that I'm with the Tech Museum and we're providing different methodologies and different ways that we can interact with these ideas. It's a really great challenge to be with like-minded people that are trying to push the standard of how we are allowing and providing education for our youth and for our communities.